Hi, my name is Bill Ritter. I'm a certified electrician, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Sunco 6-inch slim downlight. First thing, you're going to want to turn off your breaker, test your wires with a known working voltmeter, and show that the electricity is off. I just did that. We're safe and good to go. You can see we have our flexible metal conduit sitting just below the drywall. Now we have here our junction box. As you can see, it's color adjustable for color temperature. I'm going to pop that open. We have our black and white conductors and 2 wire nuts. Everything we need to do the install. First thing we need to do here is actually pop a knockout from our junction box. So we've got a top and bottom. We'll go with the top. I'll stick my flathead screwdriver in there and kind of rock it back and forth. Well, there it goes. I'm going to take off our lock nut here from our conduit, put our wires through, stick in our connector, take our lock nut, guide it over the wires. I'm going to put it on there and just give it a little twist like that. If you want, you can grab your channel locks for a little extra twist. All right, let's wire it up. We've got our 2 white wires, or our neutral wires. Got them right next to each other. We're gonna let the wire nut tighten them for us. Black or hot wire. Connect them together. Righty-tighty. I like to give them a nice little tug. Show that they're secure, and we're looking good. I'm gonna tuck these wires back into our junction box. Let's close it up. Now let's adjust our color temperature. So this room I've decided about 3000 K is gonna work well for me. Alternatively, if you do have access to a joist, you can install the junction box directly to the joist. As you can see inside, there's 2 mounting screws, giving a secure and easy hold. Now, you can see we've got our 6-inch slim. We have our plug here. There's 3 pins. You're just gonna wanna eye that up, and I can see it's gonna go in this way. Push that in, and we have a lock nut. Righty-tighty again. Give it a little tug. And we're secure. Our light's hooked up. Now this is a remodel, so I'm just gonna set my junction box up top here, and then we're gonna get the trim plate here, the light, ready for install. We're gonna actually pick up our clamps at about 90 degrees, and that will let us actually tuck this into the drywall. Once you get above there, you're gonna let it go and pops right into place. I'm gonna make sure it's nice and flush. Yeah, that's looking good. So I just powered up our breaker, and I have our light wired up to a switch here. Let's see what we got going on. And here we go. It's a clean, modern look and a super easy install. Definitely check it out today at Sunco, and we'll see you next time.